Ever open a blank code editor and just, stare at it? Or end up with a 15-stack overflow with tabs open, hoping one of them magically fixes your problem? Today, I'm testing Verdant AI, an AI coding tool that doesn't just autocomplete code, it actually plans, writes, and verifies your product and project like a full dev team. And it works directly inside VS Code or as a standalone app. Let's dive in. Now, what actually makes Verdant different? This isn't just another Copilot style autocomplete tool. Verdant works more like a personal development team. How does that work in practice? Well, essentially, you describe what you want to build. Verdant creates a clear step-by-step execution plan. It writes production-ready code and then verifies everything automatically. And what I really like is that nothing is hidden. Every step is structured, transparent, and explainable, which matters if you actually care about clean code and long-term maintainability. This is built for developers who want speed without the chaos that you typically get with these AI autocompleters. Now, one thing that surprised me is their standalone app. Verdant is designed for true multitasking. You can run multiple projects at the same time, and each task lives on its own isolated workspace. No context bleeding between projects anymore, and behind the scenes, Verdant spins up multiple AI agents in parallel. I'll show you this in a minute. So complex tasks that normally take hours can be handled a lot faster. This setup is especially good for solo developers, educators, rapid prototyping, and of course, bigger tasks that usually feel overwhelming. So here we can see we've put in our prompt, we've pressed generate, and it's gone to work for us literally in a few seconds. We've already got code spat out. Now, how does this work inside VS Code? Well, basically, this is where it really shines. All you got to do is install the Verdant VS Code extension, start a new session, set custom project rules, and describe your feature goals, requirements, and deliverables. Verdant then generates a detailed execution plan, and once you approve it, it starts coding automatically, creating files, organizing folders, and following the plan step by step inside your actual project. No random files and no mess. So here we can see we're doing meeting notes. So this is going to be something where we simply just fill it out. So what you're seeing right now is a real test in which we've made our own SaaS product here, which essentially helps you manage meeting notes. What we've done here is set the requirements to create and manage notes, tagging and searching, AI-generated summaries, and of course, access support as well as keyboard shortcuts and responsive design. This is the kind of project that usually turns into half-finished side projects, but Verdant plans it, builds it, and verifies it end-to-end. And we can see we have a fully working app within minutes. And if we want to make changes, what we can do here is just type in the prompt box and it's going to make those changes for us. So here we've said add a few more options like multiple dark, light, and blue themes, add social media share buttons, add a clock, reminder buttons, etc. And then it just goes ahead and starts coding. This is like your own personal programmer or team of programmers. And in just a short amount of time, we can see that we do have that implemented basically in a few minutes. So we've got our different themes, we've got the clock here on the left that we requested, and we can test these themes just to make sure they work. Looks fantastic. Now we also have the share button, you can see there that they've added in, and yes, can share to any of the major social platforms. That's really cool. And the reminder feature requested has also been added. So you can see set reminder. We can select that on the calendar. And we didn't really go ahead and code anything here, guys. It literally did everything for us. And you can see in the reminder section, it says meeting in 1 hour. Now, where Verdant really separates itself is through verification, reports, and final output. It's got a verifier sub-agent, which basically tests the entire project, confirms features work as expected, and then generates summary reports and release notes. The final result is exactly what you want as a developer. The idea to working app to tested and verified results. No guesswork, no hoping nothing breaks in production. When it comes to pricing, we can see they do have a free trial with 100 credits so you can test it out. Link will be in the description. And when you compare these prices, as we can see here, to actually hiring a developer team, this is crazy good value for money. So Verdant AI is built for developers who want to move fast without breaking things. If you want a tool that actually thinks through your project instead of just spitting out code, check out Verdant AI. Links will be in the description. And if this breakdown helped, hit like and subscribe for more AI dev tools and real-world tests. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.